Hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one we are of course looking at Nndm, asking a few important questions. We are looking at why it has broken above $10 and looking at how high it could be by the end of January. If that does sound like a good topic for a video, guys, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel because of course we do make videos like this on Nndm and other stocks all the time, so please do subscribe, and if you could leave a like as well, it would be appreciated. Of course, if you want to come talk to us on our stock Discord, you can. Link to that is down in the description, and of course I am not a financial advisor, so please do make sure to do your own research. But with that being said, we are going to jump straight in. Starting us off, we're going to have a quick look at how the stock has been moving, mainly over the past month, but you know what, we are going to go out to the 6-month chart, and that's just to provide some context. So of course, looking at this one back on September, or at least early September, it was basically a penny stock sat around the $1.50 mark, and of course not really anything happened. And then of course, you guys know the story, it got hyped and hyped and hyped, and of course now we are up to the $10 mark. But looking at how this one has been moving, we are up insanely, 600% gains now, and even on the past month we're looking at big increases as well. And the increase so far is at 57%, so of course big increase for only a 1 month period. And of course over the past day or so we have been selling off. Now overall, in my opinion, I don't think that's too bad at all. Obviously since about the 6th of January onwards we haven't really seen a negative day of any significance, so it does make sense that we are going to see a bit of a sell-off, especially after that big increase of yesterday. So fair enough that we are going to be seeing that today. I don't think it's too bad at all. Looking at this one on the 5-day chart, we can see we are again quite positive. Big increase coming on the 13th, like I said, and then a bit of a sell-off today at market open, which does kind of make sense. But from that sell-off we have been pretty flat and with a bit of upwards motion actually, which is quite positive. So we can see towards the end of the day, from about 12 onwards, we were picking up some motion on this stock and things were looking good. So yeah guys, really explosive growth over the past year or so, but the question for this one is for the end of the month and what I can personally expect to see. So of course we have seen that direct offering from the stock being completed, and I think now we are definitely back onto the growth side. We were kind of stagnant for a bit around the, let's say the 30th up until about the 12th, like I said, so pretty much nothing happened. You can see that we were actually down 4%, not really what we like to see, but now I think we are back in that growth period, like I said, and I think into the next month we are looking at big gains. Honestly, in the next year I can see this one definitely touching $20, but in the next month or so, it's not impossible that we are going to touch about $13 in my personal opinion. I know that's a $2 increase, it's kind of steep, and I think that's definitely on the high side by the end of this month, that is, but I definitely think we could at least make it up $1 because of course just looking at this one now, we're on about 10.52. I don't think it's impossible that we are going to reach 11 by the end of the month and potentially even touch close to 12, if not a little bit higher. So overall guys, I am seeing a positive outlook for this one in the next month in my personal opinion, and of course for that reason I would definitely see Nndm as a decent stock to watch. Now I'm not saying that you should buy it, that's definitely on you. You need to make sure that you do your own research before you do so, but it is looking very good for the stock overall in my personal opinion. In the next year, if you are intending to hold for a long period of time, I cannot see it as being a bad buy at all. Even in the next day or so, I know that we have seen that sell-off over the past day, but now I think we are going to be seeing a bit of growth hopefully on Friday. I don't think it's going to be too much, by the way, but I think it is going to be enough to kind of justify this one pointing upwards into the next week and hopefully getting us some good growth statistics on Monday when markets open again. So yeah guys, overall for Friday, I'm seeing a very positive thing coming, not too big. I think it's just going to be something like what we saw here on the 8th or 11th. I don't think it's going to be too significant, but I do think it is going to be enough to level us out and bring us back in the positive ever so slightly, if not keep us neutral. I don't really think it's going to be too negative, and even if it is negative, I don't think it will be by too much in my personal opinion. So yeah guys, Nndm, very interesting stock, very good market sector. I think the company is destined for growth in the future, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.